Technology is constantly changing. There are new cyber threats out there. So if you are not on top of these new developments, you will be putting your organization at great risk. Today, some of the cyber threats that we observe are the same ones as 5-10 years ago. But we also see new cyber threats that are powered by new approaches such as machine learning or artificial intelligence. These threats, using the benefit of machine learning, become much more difficult to detect, much more difficult to deflect, and much more difficult to crack. In this program, we will look into frameworks and models for risk management. We will also look into the key elements of data protection regulation compliance, and we will list the most important aspects of cyber incident response planning in an organization. After this program, participants will be able to evaluate their cybersecurity maturity in the organization. They will also be able to assess and observe what still needs to be done to be better prepared for potential cyber attacks, cyber incidents. Join us for this interactive online program from the International Institute for Management Development.